Very good evening. Welcome to the presentation ceremony of this match of the Dutch Bangla Bank Bangladesh Premier League, powered by Rocket and co-sponsor Nexus Pay. We've had a rather one-sided match here. Fortune Borishal really stamping the authority, and disappointing performance by the Sylhet strikers. Fortune Borishal winning by 7 wickets. Congratulations to them, and commiserations to the Sylhet strikers. I'd like to introduce you to our guest here today, Mr. Mohammad Muqaddus Ali, Senior Assistant Vice President and Manager of the Amburkhana branch of Dutch Bangla Bank, is here. Alongside him, Mr. Mahin Mazhar, Chairman of the Sylhet Strikers. And next to him, Mr. Shorav Hussain. He's a courageous student who was injured during the historic July-August movement for Bangladesh. As part of the Bangladesh Cricket Board's tribute, we recognize his sacrifice and the unwavering spirit. Thank you all for being here. Straight away, the award for the Dutch Bangla Bank Player of the Match, which is a cheque of 1 lakh taka. And for his brilliant bowling performance, taking crucial wickets, it goes to Jahandat Khan, 3 for 18. And he also scored the winning runs. If you'd like to collect that cheque, Jahandat, and I'll request Tamim to come across also. Congratulations, very well done. You must have really enjoyed bowling. I mean, this is a track which is tailor-made for batters, but he must have done well with that.
उसने बोला जो आपने बहुत ही अच्छा बॉलिंग किया, ये विकेट बैट्समैन लोग का लिए था, तो आपने क्या डिफरेंट किया इसमें?
सबसे पहले तो अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करता हूँ जिन्होंने इज़्ज़त अता फरमाई। बस सिंपल प्लान था, क्योंकि मुश्किल होता है टीम में बॉलिंग करना, वही था मेरा कि बस दूर बॉलिंग करनी है और इसमें मुझे सक्सेस मिली अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
Simple plan. I didn't want to give too many full balls. He wanted to bowl a little bit of back of length, and this is what he tried to keep.
And he succeeded, and he got 3 important wickets that really broke the back of the others. And he's uses his height pretty well, I noticed, and the length of variation of length was very distinctive.
हाँ, उनका अच्छा स्टार्ट के बाद आपने 3 important विकेट निकाला। आपका हाइट भी आप यूज़ करते हो, लेंथ भी आपने चेंज किया।
बस मेरी यही कोशिश होती है, जब मैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह खेलता हूँ, मेरा बैकअप जन स्लो बहुत अच्छा है, मैं यही कोशिश करता हूँ कि अपनी टीम के लिए 100% दूँ, और उसमें मैं रहा हूँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, उसमें मुझे सक्सेस मिली।
So yeah, he knows that he has a very good slower, so he uses those slowers, and then wherever he plays, he tries to give his best.
Well, congratulations. Carry on doing your best. Thanks for talking to us. Tamim, you stay on. Of course, Tamim Iqbal, the winning captain. Very emphatic victory, and that must please you, because at home, Sylhet, in front of a baying crowd who are completely against you, you brought out a gem of an innings.
Oh yeah. This is what we try for, massive crowd, fantastic for the tournament. Not great for us because we were playing a home side, and then the way they started and the way we came back, the way we batted, I thought it was a game for us.
In addition to Jahandat, you had Rishad bowling wonderfully well. It's not easy, particularly for a wrist spinner, to get a grip on the ball under these conditions.
Definitely. I thought, yes, Jahandat got very important wickets, but for me the game changer was Rishad. Until the last over, he was figure was 3 overs, 8 runs for 2 or 3 wickets.
Yeah, right.
Fantastic, and we are backing him, and we will back him. There will be games that he might not play because of the combination, but that was the reason we picked him. We know that he's a match winner, and we'll always back him whenever there is an opportunity.
And someone you wanted to get into runs, Tawhid Hidayat delivered.
Oh, yeah.
The icing on the cake, of course, Kyle Mayers.
Oh, yeah, definitely, because Myers and some of the overseas will leave after a couple of matches. So it's very important for me to someone like Tawhid Hidayat comes to in the runs, because he is a quality player. In the recent years, he has been the best T20 batter in the country. So getting those 48 runs, I was very happy.
Well done today. Go well, Tamim.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Tamim Iqbal, the winning captain, and that is all from down.
বাংলাদেশ প্রিমিয়ার লিগ 2025 7টি দলের জমজমাট লড়াইয়ে মাতবে পুরো দেশ। দেখতে চোখ রাখুন টি স্পোর্টস নেটওয়ার্কে।